Hi everyone, this is Natasha from Nat Healing, and I came online quickly to share a little transmission for clearing agitation and just opening our hearts and coming to a place of calm and centeredness. Because over the last few days, I didn't feel it too much, but yesterday I felt a lot of agitation, and I heard of quite a few people and animals, by the way, having the same experience. People saying like, I don't know what happened with my child. I had the same experience. I was completely off. And so I did a lot of clearing. And I want to give you with a little transmission to support you in exactly that, clearing what no longer serves and just really getting into that calm and centered space. And so for that, I'm asking you to close your eyes. Take a few deep cleansing breaths. And as you're breathing out, just let go of all the tension. Our body stores so much tension. Just let it all go. Breathing in through your nose. And letting it all go as you're breathing out through your mouth. One more breath in through your nose. And consciously relaxing jaw, neck, shoulders. Just letting it all go. And now continue breathing deeply and relaxed in and out through your heart. In your imagination, of course, you're still breathing through your nose, but as if breathing slowly, deeply and relaxed, and as if the air was coming in straight into your heart. If you feel guided to, you can put one hand on your heart center whenever you feel guided to do that. And just continue breathing deeply and relaxed and allow yourself to receive. Ia so sokoyana sana sukuyoto. Ia so eana kokoyana sa. Sukurayana to. Sukuyoana ta. Suana saka suana siana sukuyoto. Suraina tatatata o akakaena. O akakaena o asasayana sukuyana ta. Wanaeana koko yayana koso wayakoe. Suana sayana suhu. Chuwa, chuwa, yuwa, kokoana natoa ya nato suana suwa. Suana suwa haya kokokokokokoana tahu. Tiana shua ratoa 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 rashu. Iana sofa, iana sofa ya nato huaka. Sha shukufufufu. Tiwaka ya na suana tatatata. Iana suana sea kokofu. Ia suana saina sua yana totoa. Iana soku waina tainata. Suara nanana. Suara nananea soeanata. Ia kokoa nanaina susuana saina sakayana toanananoa. Ia waiana susu suana saina sua kakayana to ua kakayana to ua sufu shu chu chu sua kayana to ananaina aya kokoana ta o kakayana to suana saina sokoyana tainana. Ia kokoena taina sua, sua. Ia ko atata o aiana e aso. Ia ko atataina o aka eso. Ia so e ana kokoena ae to suana. Ia suana sa 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 sa. Ia no su aka ia o ataena na ko ananaina na soa ia koena tata. Sua. Ia kokoanana. Ia soa kakayana noko yana naina noko yana nana nea noko saina saina tata. Ia soe anana, ia soe anana, ia soko anana. Soana ea Oyanaena, so kokoena tataya, kokoena. Uasaena sukukoyana ta, soena saena sukukoyana tata, ia soena saena sukuyana naena tata tata. Calling in pure source light frequency and nothing but pure source light frequency to fill us up, clear our fields, and seal our fields. Iano sosoena saena sakayanata. Ikoyananato, okoyayanato, ayanasa, aso soena saenana. Hi akukuananai. Ya ya o na ne sa o to ya ya he ya o ko no no ko se o ya o no na ko e ya so kokayanana su ananato okayanata iya kokayanata. Holding your hands together in front of your heart, taking a deep breath of gratitude. Thanking Pure Source, thanking our highest guides, highest angels, beings of the highest light that were here to support us, the Ocean Council of Light, and whoever else is here for our highest good. Thank you and bless you. Take a deep breath in and out. One more time, deep breath in, feeling your body and releasing everything. You can start wiggling your fingers and toes, and whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes. Thank you for listening to this transmission. And you can find more of me on www.nathealing.net, NATHEALING. And I also have a free light language transmission, a beautiful one. It was so strong and so beautiful. It's been recorded at the ocean, at a sea in Croatia, actually. And it's really, really heart-opening, beautiful, calm, nice. There's also talking and singing. And I have it on my website. You can download it there for free, NATHEALING.net. I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon, and have a beautiful day.